Hey guys, it's Chinma and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy drawing using Autodesk Sketchbook. So before starting this video, I would like to say what digital drawing is. Digital drawing is nothing but the practice that uses digital technology to draw beautiful artwork. So you can draw digital drawing on mobile, tablet, computer, etc. The app we are going to use today is Autodesk Sketchbook, and it's absolutely free and can be downloaded on both Android and iOS. So let's just get started with the video. Create a new layer. Select the shapes option. After that, select oval and create a circle. You can use the nudge option if you want to move your drawing. Now fill it with color and lock its transparency. Now set the size of the technical pen to maximum and color the shades of blue from light to dark. Now use the super soft blender from pastel category and blend the colors together. Now to draw the tree, set the color to black and reduce the size of the technical pen, and then you can draw the tree. Now you can fill in with color. When you are filling it with color, make sure that the drawing has no gaps so that the color won't go out. Now create a new layer and set the color to white. So in this layer we are going to draw the moon. After drawing the moon, move its position and then fill it with color. Now using the textured eraser, erase it to get a shape of a crescent moon. Now to draw the stars, reduce the size of the technical pen and make dots. Now to draw the swing, change the color to black and draw two straight lines and add a rectangle base and fill it with color. Now let's draw the cat. To draw the cat, add a new layer and create a circle. Then create another layer and draw an oval. And then fill it with color. Now draw the tail and ears of the cat. Then click on the first layer and click on merge all, so all the layers are merged into one. Now reduce the size of the technical pen and draw the whiskers of the cat.